Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to resize a picture watermark in Word for a cleaner, more professional document. Whether you are creating company letterheads, certificates, reports, or branded documents, adjusting watermark size can make a huge difference. A giant watermark can overwhelm your page. A tiny one can disappear. Let's get it just right. So we can see here a assignment, and here all page have a watermark. The watermark is so big. Now I want to decrease the size, or you can increase your watermark size. Double click on the header, then select the watermark. Then we can see here the show the ratio. You can decrease this, otherwise increase this. You can increase that. Here we increase it, and you can decrease that. This way is very easy. Then close the header and footer. Now we can see the all page watermark is resized very easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.